Any new brides out there with these same dilemmas? You don't know who's gonna do your makeup? I mean, at least I got my dress, so.
Stop playing with him.
I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. It's getting stressful. We gotta do the centerpieces and stuff. Shoot. I'm going in with this light brown shade out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. This light shade to my lid. Okay, so I'm currently going in with this brown shade and I'm diffusing it out and kind of just do windshield wiper motions. Bit of a chocolate brown, a little darker brown. Outer V. Now we're gonna go in with this, the dark shimmer. We're gonna concentrate that on the outer corner. Okay, in the middle of the lid, I'm gonna go in with that next bronzier shade next to it. And then in the outer corners, we're gonna go in with this gold. I don't know if I love it or hate it yet. I used to love it, but right now I'm kind of in a fence because last time I used this, I don't think I really liked it, but we're gonna find out today. But since I'm on a budget, don't really wanna waste foundation, this is a really good alternative, okay? If you're on a budget and you don't have a makeup artist and you're trying to do your own makeup, NYX, they're pretty good. So a little bit of high-end, a little bit of drugstore. So let me know if you guys are liking this video. If you like videos like this, you want to see more bridal inspired makeup looks, help me out. You already know I gotta wear white. So what kind of makeup looks do you think I would look gorgeous in? My wedding is June 23rd of this coming year. So yeah, I haven't decided if I wanted to hire a makeup artist, do it myself. I don't really know anyone that does makeup especially better than how I do it for myself. Yeah, that's always the dilemma, because it's like, at what point am I gonna have time to do makeup? I didn't hire a wedding planner, so if anybody wants to donate their time, please and thank you. Wedding's going to be litty, okay? Once it's all over your face, well, hold on. Okay, so once you've got your foundation, how you like it. For today's concealer, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy NARS. I really like this this concealer. This is in the color Ginger. Yeah, this is literally my favorite concealer. You can put on as little as you like. I'm not the concealer police or anything, but I don't care how much you put on. Cause you see this girl right here, she is going in. For your contour, you don't have to contour with a cream, because if you don't want, you know, harsh pictures, I don't know if you really know how to blend out your contour, but if you don't know how to blend your contour, we can simply go for powder contour. We're gonna highlight, you see we're highlighting our under eyes, but we'll go for a powder contour just so when you happen to take pictures with your boo and you know all your family's taking pictures of you, your highlighting contour doesn't look too crazy. This is just for anyone who actually does not know how to do their makeup, but they want full glam for their wedding and they're on a budget. And I feel you, I understand exactly what you're going through. So this is what you're gonna do. You do not have to cream contour your face, which is gonna be the easiest for you. Just don't even bother cream contouring your face, especially if you know that you're not gonna be able to blend it out or you don't know how to blend it out. Just go with a bit of highlight. And remember, all this is solely up to you and your preference and how you like your makeup. I don't want to stress that enough. Okay, but I'm gonna personally save my under eyes for last. We're gonna blend out our under eyes and get our airspun translucent setting powder ready. If you know me, I'm gonna be dancing all night and I don't want my under eyes creasing. I personally would normally go in with the contour because I love the way a contoured face looks. For the sake of today, I'm gonna show you guys easiest humanly methods possible, okay? Now that everything is pretty blended out, we're gonna go in with our airspun powder and set our face, okay? Just how cheap this foundation is, you just need to make sure you need to make sure your face is overly set. We're going with our Studio FX powder, which is just a regular pressed powder, and we're going to begin dusting all of this powder away and giving ourselves, we're gonna bring that color that we just lost back into our face. And if you feel cakey or look cakey, You wait till the end. This is your wedding day. And I know drugstore foundation, you don't want it to be going all over the place. So I'm just trying to have your back in the future. So set your face like that. Because look, we come back to normal. You see this flawless skin and I'm just lathering this on, I don't care. So now I'm gonna just tap, oh shoot. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX bronzer. This is from the drugstore as well. I really like it. It's the shade light to medium. And I'm going to bronze my face. I personally, I told you guys, I like to cream contour. Okay, so right now I'm just bronzing up my face. Which is just a nice little pinky blush. Pink works, it's cute. It's like, oh, you know, she's blushing, it's her wedding. This just helps blend the contour and everything together. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our smudger brush. So we're gonna go in with that tan shade and just smoke it out. With this look, you could add eyeliner. I personally don't wanna add eyeliner. I am gonna add some false lashes to help enhance this look. But I want to keep it more girly and more natural. Okay, so I'm gonna overspray my face with this Badescu setting spray. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm gonna just go in with this Tarte blushing pop. It's almost like a better than your own lip color. And then we'll go in with a bit of like Fenty Beauty. But I'm gonna put on my lashes real quick. Okay, so I threw on some lashes. You can either put on some Fenty Beauty lip gloss or you can leave the look how it is. I'm gonna put on a bit of gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bridal makeup look. Please, 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 please leave me some suggestions in the comments on what kind of bridal looks, hair colors. I'm open to it all, okay? I have 3 months. This is what the color is currently looking like now. We got blonde tips, which is a total vibe. I am wearing a white dress, just in case you wanted to know. So help me out, I need help, I need help, I need help. All right, see you guys next time.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitness.